Here it's sad and it's raining, but I have to find out where is this leak coming from. That means I have to tear down this wall, find out where it is coming. Let's get to it. Okay guys, we keep trying until we find out kung saan nagsisimula yung source ng leak. So it's still wet there. Sa taas siguro. Okay.
Oh man, lots of work.
That's what I'm trying to say, man. Bring out the big boys. When you can't do it manually, you have better machines to use it. There you go. Either you fix it or you break it. Nah, it's okay. Eventually naman ayusin natin lahat yan. You gotta do what you gotta do to get it done or to get it fixed. In order to fix it, you're gonna have to demolish first. Ayan. Woo! Floor jack. Hard. Yeah. Okay. This won't fit. Hindi ko mailabas. So I'm gonna have to trim it using this bad boy. We'll see what he can do. Alright guys, I had no choice but to open up that wall right there, that granite, because it's a little bit too far up. I tried to go inside, pero yung leak mukhang nasa taas pa rin. A lot of demolition. Hard work! Alright guys, I have to go sa store para bumili ng parts. Emergency to eh. Oh, man. Umuulan pa naman but I have to do it. Alright guys, finally get the hang how to use this bad boy right here. You can actually twist this one. I was struggling earlier. Now we're on the second one, the top one. So let's see. Here we go. There you go. That should do it. Okay. We're gonna turn the main switch right now and we'll see. Hopefully there's no leak. Okay. Alright guys, that was a struggle. Now, like I said, I'm gonna turn the main water switch right here and we'll see. Sana walang leak. Otherwise, I'll be crying. Okay. So turn on na natin ito. Let's go inside. Make sure wala. Hindi sumigaw si Daddy, so siguro okay. Ano di? Yay! Looks like I fixed it. Hey. Ayan pala. There's no leak. There's the fix right there. But that's just for the water pipe now. So obviously lahat ng na-damage na yan. And drywall, tiles. I have to fix that. Kasi kung iti-turn in mo to sa insurance, they will do it. It takes time. At tataas na naman ang insurance namin. Boy. Oh boy. Thanks to this bad boy right here. I crimp.